couldn't show it on your face, and you cry inside. Lord, tell me why that relationship not broken, so many hurts unspoken, and you die inside. Lord, tell me why night after night you pray, still nothing seems to ever change. Remember, God's word is true. He knows the plans He has for you. By faith, this is what you must do.
Just speak life to it. Just speak life through it. Knowing God's not a man, and He should not just hold on to it. Just go on through
You gotta
it.
go on through it.
Every dry bone in your valley. Just speak life.
That's what I want you to do. Speak life. Oh, oh. Speak
Oh, talk to me. Talk to me. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. I feel so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open my heart. Oh yeah. My hopes and dreams are fading fast.
This right here, tell me why, goes out to everyone that has lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out. Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. I laced the track, you locked the flow. So far from hanging on the block for dough. Notorious, they got to know that life ain't always what it seemed to be. Words can't express what you mean to me. Even though you're gone, we still a team. Through your family, I'll fulfill your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminisce sometime, the night they took my friend. Try to black it out, but it plays again. When it's real, feeling's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath. I know you're still living your life after death.